guests and students and honorable director sir and principal sir and teaching and non-staff. Here, my dear friends, we are gathered here for our celebration of Republic Day. As the name of Republic Day, do you think that this Republic Day is just not a word? It's an emotion, our strength, our fight for our freedom and constitution. Constitution gives us rights to sit, speak, drink water and do whatever you want in laws and decorum of this nation. So now, today is a reminder who we are and from where we came. My name is Himanshu Kumar and I am the student of India and youth of this nation. For here, on this behalf of Army Public School, on this stage, I would like to share my speech on the Republic Day. From silence to self-respect, from struggle to democracy, the pride of freedom, and the friends, the freedom was not easy. It was earned, not gifted. For years, our country lived under the British rule and our voice was suppressed. The resources were taken and our people were treated as second class of their own land. But India never bought their land and spirit. Young men walked to the grove smiling and older leaders went to the prisons. Mothers sent their child for their nation. They knew that their child will not come back at home. But by their sacrificing their child, they sacrifice for us, for our nation, then it's our responsibility to maintain this sacrifice for our nation, to build discipline. You, the students, are the future of the nation. The constitution files are not the pillars of the nation. The pillars of the nation, you all the students. The constitution, it just gives us right to speak, to learn, to grow. And it's our responsibility to have that. In the future of India is not written in the government file. In global world, many foreign technologies and but our values must remain Indian. Yet emotionally distant and mental strength, confidence and compassion no longer option. Today we will have promised to our nation that this nation was built on sacrifice, democracy, survive on responsibility. So we have to take responsibility to maintain this democracy, laws and rules and regulations. Because the history proves one truth again and again. On this day, the constitution is made in 1915, 26 January by B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said that B.R. Ambedkar warned us 77 years ago, democracy will not work as he wants. Democracy will fail.